I've got it now, mate. Okay, there's an upstairs bathroom block with all this gower shit, but it's blocked at the base here, and Chris has just done a hit the fountain here, and the only thing we can do is just let it go. So he's loosened this plumb quick off at the bottom. Yeah, it's an old gowl stack up there, and the bath on the second floor is full of water. The only thing we can do is let her go. But he doesn't want to get wet. He's a bit, here we go. Here she goes, she's going to go. Hey, not my way. It's happening. Oh, get my toolbox wet too. Not my toolbox. There you go, she's a whole upstairs bath. The bath, which is just draining. The bath's nearly empty, I'd say. No, still a bit in it. Then kick it your way.
My way?
Not my way. We'll just pull it there. Oh, that's what I said, not my way. There she goes. Just the upstairs bath. There you go, she's empty. Just pull the plug on the upstairs bath. Oh, she's full.
Coming out, eh?
Yeah. The earthenware 90 at the base there's had the P90 electi. Oh yeah, we've got a fountain running down there outside into the, obviously not green plumbers. Fuck, it's still going. That bath was full. Look at that monstrosity in gowl. Lovely. Yeah. Fuck, it's still going. There we go. She's come to the end of the bar. Alright. Yeah, well, that's where it's blocked just there, mate.
Are you going to use the whirly or are you going to use the...